Ravina, welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today I am sharing a Manglorean special fish curry recipe called Kaane Nivol. What makes this curry unique is the use of carom seeds or Ajwain as the key ingredient, adding a wonderful depth of flavor to this curry. This recipe is close to my heart because I learned it from my dear friend Florin Barnes. Florin cooks delicious Manglorean dishes. I have tried this recipe a couple of times and thought I must share it with you all. Let's check out the ingredients first. Before we continue, let me show you my measuring spoons. For 1 tablespoon, I am using a 15 ml spoon, and for teaspoon, I am using a 5 ml spoon. Since we are using carom seeds, which has a slightly bitter taste, if we add even little too much, it can overpower the curry. I'm also using 1 big onion. This is for the tempering. I've used a medium-sized onion and some 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. I've taken ladyfish. You can also try with silverfish, pearl spot or pomfret. Now let's broil our spices. Here I'm using 4 red chilies. I've used Badigi chilies, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 30 numbers of peppercorn or 2 teaspoons, 4 teaspoons of Ajwain, carom seeds, or we call Womo in Konkani. Fry all the ingredients until aromatic, but don't burn them. Remember to add Ajwain or carom seeds at the end to prevent it from becoming too intense. Now I'm adding a tablespoon of oil to the pan and fry the 1 big onion that I showed you in the beginning of the video. Slice it and continue frying until it becomes soft. Once the onions become soft, you can add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. After frying it for a while, add 1 cup of coconut and let all the ingredients fry until they become beautifully brown. The aroma of these fried ingredients is already amazing. Next, we'll grind all these ingredients together into a smooth paste. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe to my channel for all the updates on my upcoming recipes. Before grinding, I'll add a small ball of tamarind and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Do try my other Manglorean fish curries recipes in the link provided in the caption. I hope you all will enjoy them. The masala paste is ready. To prepare the curry, I'll add the masala into the cooking pot. Add the stock that we got after rinsing the mixie. No flavors go waste. I will bring this curry to a boil. See that the curry is of a medium thick consistency. Wait for the curry to bubble and gently add in the fish. Ladyfish is a soft variety of fish which cooks in just a single boil. Wait until the curry bubbles, and here you can see our Kaane Nivol is ready. Finally, for a perfect finishing touch, I will top the curry with the golden fried onions. I just heated 1 tablespoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of oil. As it gets heated up, I am adding the sliced onion that I had reserved it for the tempering. When the onions are partially fried, I will add 4 to 5 crushed garlic pods and continue frying until they are golden brown. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is a unique recipe, so you must give it a try and let me know in comments how did you like it. Our tempering is ready. I will pour it on the curry. Do not spoon the curry once you put the tempering, as the fish is already soft. Just swirl the cooking pot. Close the lid and let it sit aside before you serve it. Traditional Manglorean Kaane Nivol is ready to serve. Serve it with boiled rice and some vegetable stir fry. I am sure you will like it. Thank you so much friends for joining me in kitchen today. Until we meet next time, I wish you happy cooking.